is, thumbs up, no words, they don't need words. In motorsport, that means everything. Go win this thing. I've got chills right now.
Deep in the forests of Estonia, and the trees don't move, something incredible is about to happen. That's a World Rally car, 750 horsepower, all-wheel drive, on a road you wouldn't drive your pickup truck on at 25 miles an hour. He's doing 100.
Wait, something's wrong. He's pulling over. That is not a planned stop. This is not good.
Both of them out of the car now. When a driver gets out this fast, they already know something's broken. Rally drivers don't guess, they know. There it is, broken front suspension. Wishbone arm, snapped clean. In WRC, you pray they can fix it. Right here in look at his face. Right there, that exhale. That's 8 months of preparation, all of it riding on this. Can they fix this car?
The co-driver's on the radio, calling it in right now. The team is loading the van. They've practiced this.
But reality is different.
And here they come, the service van, coming in hot down that forest road. Inside that van, every tool they need. Clock is running, people. They're out of that van. Look at that coordination. These are not mechanics, these are athletes. They train for this like Navy SEALs. Okay, here's where it gets real. Driver, co-driver, mechanic, all looking at the same problem. The patient is the car. The table is a gravel road. Surgery begins.
Jack goes under, car comes up. Now, the clock that matters isn't on the dashboard. It's in every single person's head right now. Impact gun screaming! Watch those wheel nuts fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the forest, they change suspension and a wheel. Let's see what they've got.
Wheel is off. Feel that brake disc heat from here almost. That's racing heat. That's what 100 miles an hour braking does to metal.
There he is, head mechanic. Both arms inside that wheel arch. You see those veins? This is the mentor's vein.
Look at them all. Every person, a job.
Every job matters.
The parts, the radio, the tire pressure. This is a team sport. People forget that. But he's checking his watch. Again. In rally racing, every second you stop is a second penalty. How much more can they?
Even the press found their way out here, miles from anywhere in this Estonian forest. This is the story of Rally Estonia. This is RaceDNA.
New wheel is going on! Listen, you can almost hear that impact gun spinning those nuts tight. Car coming back down now, mechanic checking it, grabbing that wheel, trying to shake.
Final checks happening now. Suspension checked, tire pressure checked, pace notes found, driver helmet going back on, visor going down. That means one thing in rally racing. There it is, thumbs up, no words, they don't need words. In motorsport, that means everything. Go win this thing.
I've got chills right now. Our journalist caught up with the driver. Heart still pumping.
This is as raw as it gets, folks. No filter, no PR team, no script.
He said, and I quote, "We do not fear the mud or the trees. We only fear standing still."
That's a man who knows exactly.
The mechanic
Still has his wrench in his hand, and he's already explaining how he did it like it was nothing. Like fixed suspension on a forest road in 6 minutes is just Tuesday for him.
Co-drivers don't panic. It's not in their DNA. They break down the penalties at 120 miles per hour. This is that guy. He's not saying anything right now. He doesn't have to. You see that look? That's not defeat. That is not defeat.
Fist bump! That's the whole story right there. They refuse to quit. That is motorsport. Now let's see if they can finish.
Back in the car.
Harness clipped, hands device on, helmet sealed. That click you just heard? That's the harness locking in. The engine. Oh, listen to that! That anti-lag system is barking back to life. You hear those pops, those flames? And he's gone! Full send! Look at that gravel flying! The mechanic's diving out of the way! That, right there, is why we watch rally racing!
He's gone. Back into the forest. Back into the fight. Real people. Real racing. This is RaceDNA.